No need to speed up, my friend. No need to speed up at all. Take your time. Take your time. I'll do it as well, shall I? Oh, well, nice speed. I wonder if this person actually knows. I'm sorry if you got smears on the windscreen. I was mid cleaning it and I didn't realise I had smudged it. And now he's beeping at people. It's okay, never mind. I smudged my windscreen and it's all smudgy now. I wonder how bad it is on camera. But I wonder if this person can drive, is my question at the moment. It doesn't seem to be able to, because it's not like a very hard thing to navigate a corner, but it seems to have trouble keeping within the lines. Oh yeah, he's going the same way as me. Excellent. Alright Benji, go ahead and play some music because we seem to be driving normally again now. Cancel the music, Benji. Cancel the music.
But you're already going to be staying up late, so by the time we get home, get you settled.
Yeah, I think so. Didn't just not get no jammers.
We go tight squeeze. We go tight squeeze. We go tight squeeze. We're going tight squeeze. Great success.
Did you see her?
What?
They proper nodding around and give you evil.
Well, she flashed me to say, "Oh yeah, come on through then, Benji. I'll let you go because I'm already stopped." And she said that you can come through, Benji. Did you not hear her?
Mama,
No, I seen the flash, but she had her hand up on her head and she was proper nodding away, like tap, 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 nitty, naughty.
She should have moved over a bit and everyone could got past then, couldn't she?
Yep.
Yeah. Good parking, my friend. Good parking. Good parking, my friend. Good parking. Good parking, my friend. Good parking. You selfish little fuck. Good luck getting past that in your wheelchair. She's gonna park there, go over the road and get her nails done. That's what she's gonna do.
Harder to clean.
Mama.
But crumbs and stuff you can get off.
Uh-oh.
I was going to say, he's just passed. Bless him.
Huh?
He just passed.
Oh, no.
Oh, poor driver.
We're not going to take the piss too much because he is a new driver.
But would that get him a ticket?
Yeah.
And he's a new driver.
Yeah.
Oh, the poor man.
Oh, no. What a prick. And we're going to call you a prick. That was very quietly. Hello.
He's just on his phone.
Yeah, get off your phone. Ooh, what's that? I've never seen one of those before, but it was old and it was white and it looked pretty cool. So I'm sure someone will let me know what it is in the comments. You're going to have to go back a little bit, just a little tiny bit, or not, you just stay there, that's fine. Make it awkward for everyone.
I'm thinking to myself, how is that lorry gonna get out of that car now?
I don't know. Is there anyone in that car?
No,
How do you know?
because I walked past it twice.
There's no one in that car. We go to rear cam for that one, I think.
17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
Slow down a bit. You're going way too fast. Slow down.
And 26, 27, 28, 30, 33, 34, 35,
36, 37. That's how long we waited, was it? 37 seconds for the old man to come through.
Bye, have a great time.
Prick.
Continue straight.
Testing, test. 2, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, fuck, that's a red light. Dickhead, dickhead, dickhead. Oh dear, where's the chipmunk? He sounded like an old typical English car starting up, didn't he? With a dodgy fan belt. Alex, shut up, for fuck's sake.
Just like a middle.
Hey, yeah.
Fucking Bender!
Are you on a bender or somebody else is on a
What, some
bender?
dickhead in a fucking coaster? Is it a woman? I swear to God, if that's a woman, I'm going to chase her down and kill her. Can't see. Can't see.
Well, is there a woman in the chat?
Fuck! I may have just hit a pole. Is it okay though? Is it okay? Like, stay there for fuck's sake, you idiot! Now you've just made it fucking 10 times worse. Jesus Christ, man! Oh fuck! You couldn't see what I was doing. Go on then, fuck off.
Benji sounds so happy. Brakes!
Great success. Fucking Bender!
Have fun, Benji.
Have it, you cunt. Fucking caravans.
You like that?
No! Fucking hate them. Just holding me up. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh no. Oh, no,
Oh
Benji.
shit.
What are you doing? What
Oh
are you
shit.
doing?
Oh shit.
No.
Fuck.
Oh, God.
Wow. Fucking caravans.
Honestly, Benji, I went through another belter in my car. I thought I'd burst my hole. I thought I'd burst my tyre.
Oh, you don't want to be doing that. Oh, you don't want to. Fuck. You definitely don't want to burst your hole.